welcome back to Workshop Rebuild. Today we're giving you the first unboxing ever, and this is a package from the US, and here we have our Bolens decals. So let's this is your on and off for the PTO, and here we have a warning sticker for our muffler. Very nice decal. This right here is a Bolens FMC decal, which is located on the front of the hood in between both lights. And last but not least, we have two more decals. One is a caution decal, and one is the hydraulic control decal, and this is located on the right of your steering wheel, and this caution decal is located on the left of the steering wheel. Maple Hunter Decals has been around for over 50 years now. They passed their business on to the third generation now, and they're still doing really well. They provide decals for various manufacturers like Bolens, Sears, Simplicity, Gravely, and so on. If you want decals for yourself, I'll leave a link down in the description and an email so you can contact them to get your own decals.